Alright, Frosty here, back with another 15-minute recap. So we're going to replay the last week on the 15-minute time frame with the new CMI on with the default settings and the nothing levels running. That's what we're going to be taking our trades off of. This was the end of the week where we got up. We get this strong move up and this uptrend here. So here you can see it's starting to curl over, and that's where you get this tag. We can try and take this. This uptrend is pretty strong. Okay, another tag. Take it again. I'm getting these primo reversal tags because it's moved up so much. So it's the numbers are sensing this big jump up. So we went from way down here to way up here in a short amount of time. So it's a very strong trend. So these numbers, are good. So it's sensing that these numbers are good and that we should be turning around here. You can see it just moving down. Oh, stop that again. All right, another one. Stopped again. Okay, this little scalp tag. I'm looking for a short, so I'm not going to take this long. I kind of already missed the move too. Yeah, so we're looking for this reversal. So let's sell again. Put it at nothing level. Bitcoin acts as a magnet for these. The scalp tag is grayed out. It's still moving up a little bit, but it's weak. And then see we divergence again. These weak scalp tags no longer really moving up very much. Another weak scalp. We're finally moving down. All right, there we go. Moving down. God damn it. Got scalp on volume. Yeah, see, this is just moving down. I'm looking at this just moving down. Well, this just moving up to sideways. Still moving down. We're finally starting to move down with it in this little hump. I'm checking this into this level. Okay, we're coming into 8 o'clock. Okay, finally moving lower. Oh, back up. God damn it. Asia sucks. Actually, this isn't even Asia anymore. We're in London. Okay, now you can see this really rolling over hard. I like that. All right. Move this into here. Take a risk off. Damn it. I went sideways. If I'd taken profit there, I'd have been alright. But that's right. I should have taken profit here where we hit this low. That's right. A little too low. So now we're coming into a new midnight again. 12. I don't understand these times. Oh, because it's a shortened open. That's right. Okay, so we're about to hit a new session. That's a new session open. So we're going down again some more. So we still have this divergence that hasn't corrected, right? Right? This whole big down divergence and this whole up, we haven't corrected that. We rejected off of this main pivot point, and now we're moving down pretty sharp. So we can sell here, and we can put a stop here, and I'm gonna put a big profit here, I guess. Mostly looking to trail this, I think. Risk keeping it just above that pivot line. Okay. Keep reducing this. We just hit this one already. What time is it? 1900. Now moving back up. This line a little. Increase risk by a little bit. Okay, moving back down. Damn it, I almost didn't take profit. I like that this is still overall moving down, so we're still sticking with it. So pull down again. Flatten off. God damn it, edge my take profit again. I'm gonna slide this up into here. Slide this down to here. Alright, there we go. Just sandwiching it in. We are coming up to night. Oh, we really reversed up right here. I hate you. Right here, we really turned up and we started moving up where this isn't really moving up at all. So we are at a decent spot to buy. We can set our stop loss here. I'm gonna take profit up here. Too far. This is midnight, and this main pivot point is going to act like a magnet. Move down, increase our risk a little. Yes, that was actually my entry. That's where I should have entered. Again, let's try buy. Stop loss. Oh wow, I set my take profit at that other level too. Okay. Alright, here we go. We got a primo trend reversal. So that's good. And at that main pivot point. Okay, we got this tag, and we do the blue one here. This one's slightly better numbers being off its peak. This one's high volume. Lock. Oof. Okay. Reject off again. Up. Alright, so big volume up. That buy. Stop loss. Take profit. Risk. Okay, perfect hit. Rejected off that level. We took a bit off of it. We were also in the overbought territory. I have those tags off, but would have got an overbought tag. Got them to turn those on, because why not? Alright. Yeah, overbought there. So I could have sold into that level. That's alright. Now we rejected off this main pivot point, but we're still going down. Close to New York Open. There we go. We start to curl up a little. Okay, 3 on high volume. Not great numbers. Okay, big reversal tag. I'll take it. It's a tight stop loss is the only reason. I mean, we're very close to New York Open. I'm most likely going to get stopped out on this. I would probably be trailing my stops pretty close if I was live. Alrighty. Now, I'll keep it. So, right into the damn open. Alright. Shit, I don't even know which one got hit. Profit target or my take profit. I mean, or my stop loss. Alright, well, whatever. So we came down, rejected off this main pivot level, moving up. Very overbought. Extremely overbought. Moving up hard. Yeah, moving up hard. No levels really below. We're going to buy into this. Here. I'm going to go on the 15. Strong uptrend overbought areas can last a long time. See, we just curled over there. Oof. Yeah, that take up there. If I was watching this live, as soon as I saw that curl over like that, I would have been out up there. All right, so now I'm looking. We just curled over, rejected hard off of this nothing level, pretty much at the top. So this line go down, and we'll again trail. Oh, there we go. Got overbought off that line. Looks like a reversal tag, but see, this is still pointing straight down. Yeah, see that candle right there? That would have scared most people out. They're looking. I'm looking at the CMI right here. That's what I'm looking at, and that's where I'm seeing this is still pointing straight down. So I am going to move this down. We'll just trail both, as long as this is pointing down. See, we just made a new low right here, and this hasn't made a new low yet, so we're still bearish. Oh, there we go. We spiked the take profit. Bounced off this level. Still moving lower, it looks like. Oh, see, there we go. We got a little curl. No rings. Oof, scalp plus. Yeah, I should have taken that curl. That curl. Alright, we can take this. This looks like it was a pullback uptrend. So we will buy and trail again. Ugh, why is it the thing I want to move doesn't move? Alright, we'll get back if we can back up into these wicks. Oh, and then we got a scalp 4 plus. We got 2 tags now, and this is premium reversal. So I just trailed up to the bottom of this tag. This is weak, and it's not really moving up like I wanted it to. Oh, there we go. That's the curl up I wanted to see. Alright. So now I'm not really worried about it, but we're going to move our stop up. I'm not moving it up to here because I'm not worried if this was starting to curl. I'd move it up closer. Like that. That's starting to curl. So now I'm going to move it up closer. Priming a hit. And then that was off that small. So great tag, so nothing too crazy. Yeah, great out tag, it was decent, but nothing crazy. Okay, rejected off of that same level again. Damn, I would have my take profit if I had kept it lower. Oh well. See this still moving up, just rolling up and down, up and down, up and down. That's convergence. Oh, now it's the end of the session. Oh, we'll just kind of through here. All right, start of the new session. Moving down now. Still in convergence pretty much. Okay, rejecting off of this level for a third time. We can take a short off of that. Freaking edged. All right, taken out. That rejection didn't last long. All right, but see, now this is support. So this was resistance. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke through. Now we just tested it here, tested it here, tested it here, tested it here, over and over again. Support and resistance. This is a good support and resistance line now. Not really moving up off of it, and it's Asia, so it's the only reason I'm not taking this as a trade. But if I was live, yeah, when this came down to here, you could have easily taken 20, 30 points off of it. We're not hitting a big divergence tag. Not a great time of the night, but we'll take it. Stops. I'm gonna risk. Okay, that went up and rejected. Looks like we're kind of moving up. Loving it, so I'm just gonna completely take off risk. Gray tags underneath. Yeah, I should take probably here or something maybe here. It's too far away. See, these green levels are going to act as support for it now too. Reduce more. Just kind of sandwich it in. I'm not sure about the moves, and we're just kind of going sideways like this. I like to sandwich it in, and then we'll hit either way you get into the green, whether you hit your take profit or your stop loss. Yeah, that's it. Now, oh, I missed that scalp. Damn it. Okay, that was a good move off of there. Pretty far extended already, but if you were taking this live, you would have got it right when it popped up here, and you could have taken it better. Just hit into this overbought area. Yep, overbought, scalp, ending of a trend. At 30, that's pretty good. All right, so let's sell. Stop loss, and take profit. Damn. I go. Yeah. Guess the turn isn't over. These tags still won't always, even if Primo still isn't always going to work. I mean, again, in live, you would have gotten this tag right here, so you could have taken it anywhere here for, 30 points, 20, 30 points, maybe. Help. Okay, now we have a big and a small, and I can actually see this moving down. See, we were going sideways, and this is sensing. Now it's finally moving down, and we're at a decent point. To show it. Start here. Okay. 15, you get a lot of the tags end up being blue. Numbers on the 15-minute chart are generally better. The tags are generally pretty good. Like you did get a move down, you did get a move down. Here you do get a move down. Is this all you get? That's the question. So put it here, and here. I'm close to the New York Open, and taken out again. Off that scalp tag. Again, that would have closed. You'd open here, you'd take this move up, and then you get this. Now you can see this is going down after this pop. This could be a good long here off of these resistance levels. Okay, now see, we just got a new low on this. So this is starting to really move down. Just bounced off of this level, though. Yeah, okay, broke the level. Now we broke the level. We're still heading down. So I'll take a short, and we'll trail it on the 15. And we'll set a take profit. Holy shit balls. Okay, I should have said alert take profit. Okay. Yeah, see, that was moving down, and now it moved down a whole hell of a lot. Very oversold. All right, now we're starting to get a curl up. Starting to curl, still moving down. I want to see a real good move up. See, yeah, still moving down. I want to see a really good move up. So we got oversold here, obviously it's oversold. Okay, there we go. Now we're starting to see a curl up. Bounce off of this level. See what the next one brings. Okay, another oversold. All right, now I like this. This gives us a decent stop out area so we can buy. Stop loss down here below that wick. And then take profit up here. Oh, we just got a blue tag. Oh, damn, we just got multiple blue tags. So multiple good trend reversals. Small bull scalp, high volume. You can see this big turn up like this. Really liking this move now. Oh, god damn it. Why are you moving down? Oh, edging me. So you can see that green dotted line was resistance where we had that small reversal tag. Okay, now let's reduce risk. Oof. Oh, god damn it. Alright, I still like this move though, so I'm going to take it again. And we'll buy it. Lost in the same spot. Profits. See, it's just still moving up. Still not really moving up. Like you get this move down and this move down and then up, but like overall, we are not back up to where we should be, right? This is getting close to where it opened. I mean, this is over where it opened, not where it opened. So that's what I'm looking at for divergences. So this is very bullish overall on the big trends. They're still moving up. Q just isn't moving yet. As soon as someone starts buying it too, and it starts moving up in the market, though, it's gonna move up quick. Right there. See, we got a big move up. Yeah, see, let's reduce risk. Now we're moving up. Now we're just going sideways on both. Fine. Overall, we still should move up. Yeah, so we're not even close to oversold, which is good. Not even outside the first deviation. But we are rejecting off main pivot point level. New York is closed. I have to sell this off anyway. But that's a good profit. I'll just fucking lock that in anyway, so we'll close that out. Okay, so now we move into the next session. Okay, small divergence tag, the good reversal sign off of this uptrend. Very big stop loss, kind of a 1-to-1 ratio. Let's see what we get here in this. Not 100% sure about this because it's pretty much in convergence as far as what I can see. You only had these two. Oh shit, that was from the previous session. This isn't supposed to happen. I'm not supposed to be able to get cross tags. I'm gonna have to check out that bug because I shouldn't have gotten that tag. So we're gonna trail our stop closer because I really shouldn't even be in this. All right, there we go. Now we're moving lower. Okay, I guess it ended up working. Okay, so I don't like that little curl up. Lock in some profits. Yeah, this was curling up wasn't great, so all Asia session, sideways action. In the 5 minute, you could probably catch some of these swings, but yeah, tag, moving down. Damn, look at that, it dropped off. Holy moly, I missed that. Broke this low hard, and now we're breaking this low. Let's get the next number. Maybe we get a pullback, very small pullback. Let's try selling. It's a wide stop loss, but I think it's pretty good 1-to-1 ratio, but a pretty good probability of getting hit. And hopefully I can continuously reduce risk here. I don't like that with this curl up here. What time is it? Oh, we just got a new midnight, so again, the main pivot point, so this is probably gonna fuck around with this main pivot point for a little bit, so we get one more. Yeah, I'm just not liking it. Yeah, gonna get stuck. Oh well, this move up here, I should have totally taken this, where this was going up, and this was just going sideways. It was totally a divergence. Didn't get a tag, but absolutely a divergence, so let's try it now. I'm late to the party, but we'll trail on the 15, and we'll just not take much of a take profit. Damn, taking out. Is this still crawling up though? Yes, this is still moving up. You get this tag because it's within the trend. Is up. You get a bounce down. That's just telling you, okay, this was a good entry pretty much. So we can buy, stop loss, take profit. Better risk to reward ratio here. So as we move up a little, we can reduce risk. Just watching this line, still constantly moving up slightly. Starting to curl over. It's really just moving flat though. Curling down yet. Now it's curling down. Now we can reduce risk a bit. Yeah, I don't like the way this is making slightly lower moves. Yeah, so you can see it moving off of this blue line here. It's going to reduce my risk to almost nothing. Yeah, I figured I was going to get stopped out there. Here we go. Okay, 4 plus scalp. That. Blow wick. Take profit up here. Reduce risk. Reduce risk. And it's rejecting, or it's hitting this level. So we're just going to sandwich it again. Put it back down here. I don't want to be in, so we're going to hit one of these probably. Oh, edged. Edged on both. God damn. Look at that shit. Right in between both. Alright, what are we going to hit? I don't even know which one I hit. I hit both. God damn. Okay, so we are at New York Open. Huge rejection off of this line. Huge move down. Convergence. So we can off of that. Big stop loss. Hopefully we move down now and we can reduce risk. That looks like a move up. Still moving down on this though. Damn, hold up. Alright. Alright, yeah, see, this one. This would have been a tough one. I probably would have lost. If I was live, I mean, could have maybe got it, but I probably would have lost on that one live too. But it happens. But now, see, because we're shooting way up hard. Damn it, I can't see. Thank you. We're shooting up hard. We both broke above this previous high, so convergence. Goddamn, came back down. Rejected off of this level. We're still pointing up. So let's buy again. Let's trail on the 15. Each of these moving up. To here. 15-minute candles just keep moving up. Should be just below the level because you might not hit it. See, just like that. I got edged. Okay, overbought. Alright, so not looking good, so we'll just move up. Yeah. Alright, this is a reversal tag, primo reversal tag, and you get this curl down here. So we can that. Stop above, take profit below. Damn it. Hit. I still like this move. Yeah, see this move down here? I still like this. So this will be a real tight stop. New York. New York, we can set there, take profit. Okay, big divergence. That's what it's sensing. Big divergence. I can see the big divergence. I'm waiting for price to actually start turning. Okay, now we have a big turn. We have a big, we are starting to turn in price. We have a big drop in the CMI. Made a new low here, here to here, but here to here, higher. So we should move down. So again, tight stop loss. Okay, another big divergence. Yeah, right, I'm gonna move this up above that. Since we get a divergence tag. Tag. I don't like this curl and this move sideways. We still have this big down divergence down, and it didn't really move down to correct. Damn it, it's starting to curl back up, so it's going up. Shit, session's ending, so closing this one out for a loss, it looks like. Alright, new session. Alright, they rejected again. Open a new session, rejected off of this level again. They're still just moving down. Alright, I'm gonna take another short off of this. This time I'm gonna leave a wide stop. Kind of. It's not too bad. There. And a little set closer, take profit. This is this move down. I'm just waiting for this to correct. And there we go. Alright. Okay. Rail. Up. Scalp tags I generally think are moves down. Okay, that's a premium trend reversal. Buy. Stop loss. Take profit. Recording. Yes, okay. Alright, where are we? Da, da, da. Sideways action. Asia session. These blue tags don't mean much if it's sideways, which it kind of is. It wasn't really much of a downtrend, so it's not really a great tag. So I'll probably just trail it here. Now the main pivot. Divergence. Trail 15. Really starting to move up. Boom. Hit it. Oh, we had to take profit. Oh. Okay, now looks like we're kind of rejecting. Well, this is midnight. Oh, no, it's not past midnight. Oh, I missed that big divergence. Kind of a good thing, I guess. Rejected off that level again now. Yeah, rejecting, curling. Okay, dropping, making new lows. Just sold off that big divergence, but that's alright. We will still sell here and just trail on the 15. Just not gonna get as big of a move as I would have. Okay, or I'm not gonna get any move. Yes. Okay, cool. Big divergence on volume. Very wide stop. Let's see if we can get. Damn, wanted to bounce up. Okay, so this is where I'd like to take that short off of that same resistance level. Tight stop. Alright. Yeah, rejected right off that resistance level. Damn, I should probably been a little bit less of a stop, but it fucking edged me. That's fine. Alright, one more. Okay, that's a pretty good bounce sign off of that trend level. Trail down. Bounced again. Again, got that divergence tag. It's pretty good though in the CMI. So move up and curl up, and this made a new high versus here where it hasn't. So although this says there's a big divergence, bearish, I'm seeing a bullish divergence right here. Okay, we just dropped off from that. Now we got a colored scalp tag. This is really starting to come down now. I'm liking this divergence more, but just not this price bar to buy or sell rather. See, this is a good place to sell now. Sell. Stop loss above this. Take profit from here. Damn. Oof. Damn, look at that way that thing's rocking. Holy shit. Yeah, rocket. Alright, I mean, we can take buy off of this, because the CMI is moving up, and we just keep a stop loss down here, and take profit up here, I guess. Oh shit, this is actually freaking level. I didn't see that. Probably should saw what the next bar is going to do, but alright, we'll keep it for now. We'll see what the next bar is going to do. That's what it's going to do, okay. Yeah, see here, we're curling over in this oversold area. That's really short. I didn't realize that that was against that level. So, let's take profit. Yeah, there's the overbought. Okay. Then we got this move. Oh shit. Alright, so we got a blue tag up there, small divergence, primo, and we got our target hit. Starting to crawl up off the main pivot point. We can take a buy off of that. Stop loss here. Yep, big curl up now. That's what I'm looking at for the divergence. Then with the trail. Looks like the stop's gonna get hit. Yep. Now the markets are just pretty much moving sideways in convergence. Okay, now we're moving down. Okay, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna trail on the 15. Reduce risk. Damn, break even. Okay, now we're really curling up here. And this is seeing a divergence here. So this would be a bull scalp. Price is moving up, CMI is moving down. Price is listening to price, not the CMI. So we can buy stop loss here. And there's the stop tag. So we just trail on the 15. Yep. We're still moving up. We just made a higher low. Here we made a higher low, so convergence on that part. Okay, moving up still. I should have kept my stop down there below that scalp tag. Let's buy, and we'll trail on the 15 again. This resistance level. I don't like this risk to reward ratio here. I don't like the way this is coming down either. Oh shit, that was the end. Shit. Alright. Okie dokie. So, here we go. Wow, 43% profitable trades and yet still in the profit. Damn. Alright, so we hit some drawdown here. Alright, so we hit some drawdown here to begin with. Went down as low as negative 400. Nothing too crazy for drawdown. Max drawdown 1100. Kind of a big drawdown for the max, but it's fine. Just three micros all the way. Hit that one trade. Profit structure, max current, trades analysis. 41 trades, only 18 winners, 23 losers. That's the thing with this system is it doesn't need to win more than what it loses. You can lose more and you can still end up profitable. Equity run-ups, see, largest lost 946, largest profit 1100. This is my average. Oh wait, these are my largest. My average losses. Okay, so average profit and loss. Average. So my average loss is half of my average profit, which is a big. I thought I had benchmarking. Performance. I don't know what I mean. So yeah, that's it.